The best example of demonstrating holiness is Jesus Christ. Bakit? Sabi sa 1 Thessalonians 5:9, "For God chose to save us through our Lord Jesus Christ, not to pour out His anger on us." Kahit hindi tayo perfect, kahit tayo nagkakasala, dapat tayo yung nagbabayad ng kasalanan, si Jesus Christ ang naging way para tubusin tayo. Hindi galit yung pinairal, kundi love and compassion, grace and mercy. So dapat tayo din, mga kapatid, hindi pala dapat galit yung pinapairal natin, kundi holiness. At sabi sa James 1:9-21, "Understand this, my dear brothers and sisters. You must all be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to get angry." Kasi bakit? Human anger does not produce the righteousness of God desires. Hindi tayo magiging righteous kapag yung galit yung nangunguna sa buhay natin. Human anger does not produce the righteousness God desires.